In your national headlines, millions in the South and Midwest are facing another risk of flash flooding after days of deadly storms across the region.
Now, at least 5 people were killed in storms stretching from Pennsylvania to the heartland. Fox News' Garrett Tenney has the latest.
Hurricane-force wind gusts, hail, and possible tornadoes threatening millions from Texas through the Midwest on Thursday. It comes after days of severe storms toppled trees and washed out roads across the country. In Oklahoma, crews raced to evacuate homes and rescue stranded drivers when thunderstorms swamped the state on Wednesday. At least 2 people drowned when their cars got caught in the floodwater. And with more rain in the forecast, officials are urging folks to stay off the roads.
Don't drive into those waters. Last time I got drone footage of a guy going around a barricade and driving through the water. We do have drones up flying. You can be fined for going around barricades.
Once the storms pass, officials say the flooding threat isn't over, with rivers in Texas and Oklahoma expected to crest later in the week.
Just be ready to mobilize at a moment's notice in case we have to take any kind of a drastic measure in the event something drastic happens.
And in the Northeast, utility crews are still working to restore power to thousands of customers in Pennsylvania after damaging winds swept through the Pittsburgh area on Tuesday, though officials warn the process could take days to finish.
Our first focus is safety, clearing hazards, yes, restoring service as we can, but primarily safety focused at this time.
Forecasters say the storms forced hundreds of flight cancellations on Wednesday, and they expect those disruptions to continue. In Chicago, I'm Garrett Tenney, Fox News.